Question number 8. Consider the following statements regarding high devastating waves during a cyclone. Number 1. As we move from coast of Odisha to southwards, the occurrence as well as catastrophic effects of these waves decreases. Number 2. Shallow coasts are immune to devastating waves in comparison to deep coasts. Now, which of the statements given above is or are incorrect? See, we have to find out the incorrect statements over here. Since both the statements are incorrect, let's discuss one by one. See, the occurrence as well as catastrophic effects of cyclonic waves, it increases, okay, from southern part of eastern coast towards northern parts of eastern coast. And since the fact mentioned over here is that it decreases, so it makes this statement as false. Likewise, the shallow coasts are less immune to devastating effects in comparison to deep coasts. Alright, whereas over here it's mentioned that shallow coasts are immune to devastating waves in comparison to deep coasts, but then the fact is that these are not completely immune, these are less immune, but then devastation do occur. Alright, so the correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Alright, now with that, let's move on to next question.